When a mechanic with 40 years in the shop buys a truck for himself, it's not luck, it's pure intelligence. And I'm going to show you exactly which trucks mechanics are taking home. Think about it. A mechanic spends decades fixing every kind of car. He sees what breaks and what lasts. And when this guy chooses a 90s pickup for himself, that's not coincidence. I spent 3 months interviewing mechanics nationwide. 5 trucks kept coming up. Subscribe, because today you'll find out what real experts buy with their own money. Number 1. Toyota Tacoma, 1995 to 2000. I met Jimmy in Seattle. 38 years as a mechanic. Know how many 90s Tacomas he's fixed? 3. In almost 40 years, he's seen thousands of cars, but Tacomas from that era, just 3. He bought 2 for himself, 1 to drive, 1 to keep. The 3.4 V6 runs 500,000 miles without complaining. Mechanics buy Tacomas when they want peace. They fix modern cars all day, then drive home in a 1998 Tacoma. That tells you everything. Number 2. Ford Ranger, 1993 to 1997. Carlos in Houston runs a heavy-duty shop. In his garage, a 1995 Ranger with 410,000 miles, original engine. A customer brought in a Ranger with engine noise. Carlos discovered the guy drove 80,000 miles without changing oil. Engine should have been destroyed. Carlos changed the oil, cleaned it, and it ran perfectly. Next week, he bought one for himself. Mechanics love the Ranger because it forgives mistakes. This truck is loyal. Number 3. Chevrolet S10, 1994 to 1998. There's a Facebook group of retired mechanics, 8,000 members. The S10 appears most in their retirement photos. Why? After 40 years fixing cars, they want something that won't break. Roberto in Miami retired at 65. Instead of buying one new $50,000 truck, he bought 4 1996 S10s at $6,000 each. When I die, my kids will have trucks that last forever. That's worth more than any new truck. Today, those S10s are worth $12,000 each. He doubled his money and gave his kids lifetime transportation. That's mechanic thinking. Number 4. Dodge Dakota, 1991 to 1996. Marcus in Detroit builds race engines costing $50,000. He drives a 1994 Dakota with a Magnum 5.2. I make a living building sophisticated engines, but I want something I don't have to fix. The Dakota is raw power without electronics. A 1995 Dakota sat abandoned for 7 years. A mechanic bought it for $500, changed the battery and fluids, turned the key, and it started immediately. That's the Dakota. Number 5. S10 ZR2, 1994 to 1999. Dave, a 68-year-old mechanic, closed his shop early and drove 1,200 miles across 4 states looking for a ZR2. Found one for $14,000. I spent 50 years fixing junk. Now I want something my grandkids will fight to inherit. The ZR2 is the S10 in its best form, built to last generations. This isn't a truck, it's legacy. See the pattern? Mechanics watch cars break daily. When they spend their own money, they choose 90s trucks, always. These trucks were made when simplicity meant quality. Simple engines that last, strong chassis, zero nonsense. If mechanics who fix cars for a living buy these 90s trucks, maybe you should pay attention. You have one? Congratulations. Don't have one? Start looking now, because they're disappearing fast. Next week, I'll show you modern trucks mechanics refuse to buy. Don't miss it. Hit that like button and subscribe. See you next time.